everyone, my name is Karun Subramanian and welcome to my course, Splunk Enterprise Administration Configuring Distributed Search. I am an IT operations expert and a Splunk certified architect. I have architected and implemented many large-scale Splunk installations. Splunk is the Google for operational big data. And as a Splunk administrator, it is your job to configure the platform so that it produces accurate results fast. In this course, you are going to learn about distributed search, how Splunk separates search management and presentation layer from indexing and data retrieval layer. You will gain the knowledge of search peers, search knowledge bundles, and scaling options available for distributed search. Some of the major topics we will cover include data flow in a distributed search, configuring indexers as search peers, tuning knowledge bundle replication, and search-ed cluster architecture. By the end of this course, you will know how to configure distributed search end-to-end, whether you have 3 search peers or 300 search peers. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Splunk Web Interface, basic Splunk product architecture. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to set up your Splunk Enterprise for maximum search efficiency with the Splunk Enterprise Administration Configuring Distributed Search course at Pluralsight.